Hey you, and welcome to this video. Today we will help you out by showing you how the redstone block works and what it does exactly. Pretty much the redstone block is just a power source that gives off a strength of 15. So as you can see, if I break this repeater right here and replace it with normal redstone, if I place this block right here, it's going to give off a strength of 15, which then gradually gets lower every single redstone does. As you can see, it gets less bright, and this block right here is no longer powered by the redstone block. It essentially works like a lever, but it's a little bit less useful, I would say, because this one you can't turn on and off, of course. So then what you want to do to craft it is just like this. Just 9 redstone to make a redstone block. And as you can see, the way to keep the strength is just with a repeater, as I've also explained in a different video. Now with the repeater it powers the piston, but if I place just normal redstone, which I don't have anymore, just a second. If I just place the redstone does normally without the repeater, it's not going to activate it. So pretty much the only info you need to know is that it's a bit expensive to make. It's very good for like automatic machines, like farming devices, things like that. However, it is a little bit expensive to make since you do need to mine some redstone for it. That's all there is to this video. If we could help you out, please consider subscribing, and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.